Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at a few ways how we can clear our whole sequence, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. And now this is a continuation on our actual whole sequence mini-series. Or not just whole, but the actual manual sequence mini-series. So in the previous video, we looked at applying a shape direction for all parts. Now we're going to be looking at a few ways to clear it. So let's say you wanted to set it back to what it was. Then there's two main ways we can go about it. Unfortunately, there's, or should I say three, but one is really not necessary. But yeah, unfortunately, there's no quick way to just reset all the whole sequences. So we're going to go through the first one, which is pretty much a repeat of the previous video. So I'll just quickly go through it. So what you want to do is, if you know from which side to which side the default is, which in general, if your origin point is coming from the bottom left, as we can see, it's going to be from left to right. So that means both these shapes needs to be from left to right, which at the moment is the opposite. So what I'll do is I'm going to go into OER in the cam. I'm going to select the shape, and then we're going to select our little feature here again, create whole sequence manually. So after I've selected this one, I'm just going to go make sure I apply for all of the same parts. Shape, I'm going to select that and go from left to right. And like I said, keep in mind, if this doesn't work, you might have to do it in reverse. So let's try that again. I'm going to select this, click the button, go opposite, make sure you select the bottom one, say okay, and there we go. So now this will be back to the default, where we can see it's going from left to right, next shape, left to right. Now that is one way we can do it. It's maybe the best way to do it if you don't want to disrupt your actual layout. But let's say you, should I say, the other way we can do this is we go out of cam, select our shapes, delete them, and then we're going to manually add them back in. It's rather tedious, but it is another way we can go about it. So if you wanted to do it rather that way, which you are 100% sure it is now going to be the right direction for the holes to cut. With the other one, you have to try to remember kind of where it was it left to right, right to left, where this one, you know it's going to be right. But like I said, depending on your origin point, so if this origin point was maybe on the top right or top bottom right, and then the bottom right or the top right, then it might go from right to left. But by default, it's going from left to right. But yeah, otherwise that is it on clearing your whole sequence manually. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.